So we just got here at the waterfall. We're hiking up this mountain for the past maybe 10 minutes. And there's only a trickle of water, so I'd imagine there's quite a bit more of a hike to go. But look at this. It's quite the trek. Holy fuck, it's hot. There's a lot of trees. Not a lot of water. So I don't know if there's gonna be actual waterfall at the top. Mushroom. Anyways, continue hiking. So this is why there's no waterfall. Well, it's the middle of the night. I shouldn't say that. It's like maybe 5:30 in the morning. Just getting back from the bar, and there's absolutely no one around but dogs and roosters. It's the first time I've never seen anyone around. It's kind of weird.